So this is a program I wrote using the C language, which covers the basics in adding or deleting from an existing file, or either in writing to a new file or writing to the same file. And in this case, we are writing to the same file, this file here, students, and each row we have here has information for each student, and it corresponds to a number on the side here. And the information in each row has the first name, last name, gender, age, weight, and height of each student. So now if we're going to run the program, okay, so this menu now shows up. When we press 1, it'll show us the list, which should be just what's in the file already. And when we press 2, we can insert someone. So enter the number of students you'd like to add. One student. First name, let's say Danny. Last name, let's say Smith. Now gender. For gender, if you put something other than F or M, it'll give an error message, and you'll have to re-enter all the information for that student. So let's just put G to validate that this error message will work, and it does. So let's type this information back in: Danny Smith, male, and then these also are validated for not if they aren't numbers, but I'll just put numbers in. Say he's 20, 170 pounds, 72 inches. Okay, so we just added him. So let's say we go back to lists now, number 1, he should be there. Yeah, and there he is. So let's say we want to delete someone. Press 3. Please enter the number of the student you would like to delete. So see how each student corresponds to a certain number. So let's say I wanted to delete Sarah. So she corresponds to number 5. So if I put number 5 in, if I go back to list, she shouldn't be there. So let's do save and exit, which is number 4. And this is what makes the change to the file. After I press enter, I go back to this file, and the information should have changed. And Sarah has been replaced with Danny. So that's my program.